Now, speaking of and sticking with YouTube for a second, Mozilla actually did a study trying to determine videos people watch that they regretted watching. And I guess their finding is that most often the regrets came via YouTube's own recommendations. 71% of regret reports came from recommended videos. This is something called Regrets Reporter, which is a browser extension. And it launched last year. And it allows users to report videos they regret watching. And then it allowed Mozilla to crowdsource information about YouTube's recommendation algorithms because, Mozilla might be interested in a little company called Google. A little company making Chrome.
A little bit of research.
Might be a little competition over there.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe. Now, YouTube's recommendations have been criticized. There's more and more surveys happening. Hey, is this the right thing for you? Hey, how did that make you feel? Are you feeling good? Are you happy, sad? Are you feeling calm? Anyway, 37,380 people installed this Regrets Reporter. And that seems pretty wild in the first place.
That's a lot.
It is. Imagine you're sitting there, you're like, you know what? I'm going to report every time I regret watching something on the internet.
For free.
Seemed like a lot of work, but hey, I'm most likely to just move on. Yeah. But then they went and made this video talking about conspiracy theories and all this harmful content and how Mozilla wants you to understand what the algorithm is doing to you. Of course, Google responded and they said, hey, we've been making all kinds of strides towards fixing this up and not giving people such aggressive recommendations or what. I don't know what it, but listen, algorithms this whole thing is so vast and tough to monitor, and it's machines. Sure. And viewership habits and watch time and math and what people are attracted to and not attracted to, and very difficult. Mm-hmm. But you got many hundreds of millions of hours of content and minutes and so forth. And then also I'm like, well, it's Mozilla who's doing the study, right?
Yeah. It's also good to see the insight publicly.
The regrets.
Yeah.
It's interesting, though, isn't it?
Good to know.
Watch a video and regret it. Have you had this experience? You watch a video and then you regretted it right away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say what, but...
Did you click any buttons after of, hey, don't... Because I think if I was going to regret it, I'm already off of it. Like, I don't think I stay around.
Yeah.
I think I regret very quickly.
Uh-huh. And you take it as an action item to do something about it. So.
Yeah, here's their statement, YouTube's statement. The goal of our recommendation system is to connect viewers with content they love. And on any given day, more than 200 million videos are recommended on the homepage alone. Over 80 million pieces of information is used to help inform our systems, including survey responses from viewers on what they want to watch. We constantly work to improve the experience on YouTube, and over the past year alone, we've launched over 30 different changes to reduce recommendations of harmful content. Thanks to this change, consumption of borderline content that comes from our recommendations is now significantly below 1%. They should have me voice these things.
Yeah.
We're doing everything in our power to ensure safety on the platform. Everything in our power.
It's a lot of highs and lows.
Yeah, when the persuasion's going on.
Yeah.
When the corporate language is coming out. When the approvals process on the paragraph is happening.